What's up, YouTube? What's going on? Matt here, Wash It Up Pressure Washing, Staten Island, New York. Hope you guys are doing good. Doing great. Thanks, guys, for all the subscribers, all the likes, all the comments. I really appreciate it. Sorry if it's been a little bit crazy. New hats, pretty cool, right? 100% polyester, guys. Make sure you get polyester. Yeah, sorry it's been a little bit crazy with some stuff going on, but yeah, fall business was excellent. Busiest year yet. The spring business from last year in the summer all the way up into the fall was excellent. Really thought it was gonna be kind of bad with the pandemic and everything, all that, but it was actually the best, and it was terrific. Sorry guys, I haven't posted in a while. I do apologize about that. Like I said, I don't really do a lot of stuff in the winter, and just getting going now, getting things together. A lot of good stuff happening. I'm actually driving in the truck right now. Just picked it up a little while ago. We had it wrapped. It looks awesome. Graphics with you know, the website and everything. I'm gonna put a picture of it, and maybe I'll even add on to this video later on. But yeah, it looks really good. Got a lot of good feedback from a lot of guys that actually have had it done before. They said it helps a lot, grows the business. Just name recognition, driving around. Not that we don't have a good reputation, but it looks, you know, it looks more legit. I had just some magnets on my truck, and this looks like official. It looks legit. I wish I did it 2 years ago, whatever. Okay, so we did that. Really excited about that. We got some new equipment coming. Ordered from Marco another 8-gallon a minute machine, so we're gonna have 2 8-gallon a minute machines. Got the tote on the 6x12. I got the soft wash system on there. It's real tight on there, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It's real tight on there. It's real estate. There's a lot of things you kind of got to figure out exactly where you want to put everything, but made it work. But it's good. I changed the suspension on the trailer. It's rated for more, so that's good. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of videos of that once I do it. The machine's coming in from Marco from washmart.com. If you guys need anything from him, give him a ring. He's in Kemah, Texas. He will ship anything that you need to do. Also, big shout out to Sean Hodges. Give him a shout out too. Arkansas Soft Wash. That's where I got my 12 volt for him last year. Didn't work great. I haven't fired it up again this year. I'm hoping that everything was all flushed. I just hope that the pump didn't go bad, because that's just the downfall of using 12 volts. So we'll see about that. What else we got going on? Like I said, we got the truck, we got the other thing going, new equipment. I kind of did my logo over this year. It's actually, it looks really nice. It's just a little more, I don't know, it's a little sharper. It's a little more in detail, so it came out really well. I did my EDDM flyers over again this year. What do you call it? Felix on Smart Ads on Facebook. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen him on it. He does the motion flyers, motion videos. Give him a call if you guys need anything. He does some great work. So I got some new EDDM postcards that I just sent out to all my customers. You know, I got about 700 or 800 customers that I have in my database past couple of years that I send reminders out to them, so they're getting one of those cards. And I'm also doing EDDM. Guys, I've learned that I'm pretty well established. I'm not big. I'm not one of these big companies at all. This is my side gig. I do enough jobs with word of mouth, Facebook stuff, EDDM, and just me doing a job at a house, and I'll get 6 or 7 other jobs in the neighborhood. But that's the way I do it, guys. So, you know, a lot of other guys are in a different position. I don't need to really throw a ton of money on advertising. You know, I'm good with my reviews, and I do a couple other little things, Facebook advertising, obviously on Instagram, stuff like that. But the EDDM thing, guys, I use United States Postal Service for EDDM. I sent out this year probably around almost 10,000. Not that it doesn't cost money. It does cost money. It costs money for you to print the stuff. It costs money on you going on there doing the EDDM. But in my mind, number one, you're never going to lose money on it. Even if you get the couple jobs that you know, whatever. Suppose it is stats that you may get like 1%, whatever. I don't know exactly the percentage that I've gotten in the past, but I've done pretty well with it in my area. Some guy just called me. He just got the thing today. He just called me. He's like, and I actually did an estimate for him a few years ago. He's, yeah, I want you to come back and I want you to do, you know. So just to keep name recognition out there and just to keep, you know, the customers knowing what's going on, they're good to do. Okay, so we did those. So I sent out 10,000 of those. Like I said, it's not cheap to do, but you're gonna get your name out there and you're gonna make your money back. It pays for itself. Okay, in this business, guys, you gotta spend money to make a little bit of money. Guys are like, oh, what can I get for this? Or, you know, I don't want to spend that much. I'm like, guys, if you gotta spend a little bit, you know, get a business credit card, put a little bit on there. Okay, you're gonna have expenses every single year. Guys don't realize that's the case. Okay, what else we got going on? So we got the EDDM, got the new equipment, got the truck wrapped. Couple of little things, like I said, the new equipment and stuff. What else? The window washing, I did a bunch of jobs with that. We didn't even really start yet, guys, up here in the Northeast. I'm in New York and New Jersey. We really didn't even start, really, because the weather hasn't been that good. So it just really, last week we got a bunch of nice days, but then this week, it was flurry now. 2 minutes ago, I'm driving around. We got some new hats. I got ordered some new shirts, 72-hour print. Like I say, guys, you want to look legit out there, know what you guys are doing, or you're just guys that, you know, whatever, just starting out, whatever. You know what? Guys, you get some hats, you get some t-shirts. Guys are like, oh, you know what? You get some decent equipment. Guys are like, you know what? Customers, they're like, you know what? These guys know what they're doing. I trust them to do something. What else? The equipment and stuff, guys. A lot of guys ask on these groups all the time, you know, what should I get? What should I get? What should I get? What should I get? Guys, just, you don't have to spend $1 million. My setup is simple of simple. I got 2 machines. I got two bulkheads pulling water. I got the soft wash system pulling water, pulling soap, pulling SH. So guys, it's completely simple. I'm not overcomplicated with all this other stuff like some of these other guys do. I got a 6x12 trailer. It's loaded to the gills. But yeah, guys, you don't have to do anything crazy. If you see any of my other videos, you'll see it's simple. Nothing to start up. Okay. Obviously, you know, guys are like, oh yeah, I'm getting a 4-gallon a minute machine. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put a 275-gallon buffer tank on it. Why? I started out with a 4-gallon a minute machine. All you have to do is hook that up to a what do you call it? The hose of a customer. You don't need a buffer tank for that. You do not. I'm pretty sure in my area the water pressure is very good. I'm sure even where the water pressure is not good in some of wherever you guys are, even from wells and stuff like that, where, you know, they pump the water up, I guarantee you're going to get 4 gallons a minute. What do you call it? Once you go to 5, okay, maybe you might need a small little buffer tank. When I had my 5, I had a small little 65-gallon buffer tank, and that was perfect. I never ran out of water, but that was only one machine. So now I use the 65-gallon for my SH. So now I have all my SH in there. I got the 275, and it works out great. So guys, don't overthink these things. Okay, you do not need these elaborate, crazy setups. It's simple. Okay, you pull from one area and you put it in another area. That's all it is, guys. Okay. So guys, any questions, give me a shout out. I'm more than, you know, as you guys know, I'm pretty fanatical about the what do you call it? The YouTube stuff. As soon as I get a message, it pops right up on my thing. I try to do my best to get right back to you guys. I don't like to leave guys waiting. I wouldn't want that to wait. And so any questions, guys, just give me a shout out. I appreciate it. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys have a good start to the year. Hope it's profitable. Hopefully everything works out well. So stay safe and stay tuned. We're gonna get some videos coming up pretty soon. Hopefully, like I said, my other machine comes in this week, and get that back on the trailer, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, thanks so much. Once again, like and subscribe. I'll talk to you later.